This is the installation of a security device with a wood stud wall. Here's what you start with. The hammer you provide, and the pencil. The nail comes with a kit. Tap a hole where you think the stud might be. If it feels hollow behind it, you know that you missed the stud. So go to the side, in this case to the right a bit, tap a hole. Now you feel that you hit one. So mark it with a pencil. Go a bit further to the right, tap another hole. If that one hits, mark it, and you know that the center of your stud is approximately between those two marks. So now mark on the T-base of your security device through the holes where the fastener should go. And then tap starter holes for your bolts with that nail. Put a bolt through the top hole in the T and start it in the top hole that you tapped. Tap it in with a hammer a bit and start with the wrench, and you'll be able to tell if it bites, in which case keep cranking and it'll crank up until it's fairly snug. Now do the bottom one. If it doesn't bite, you need to tap it a bit more. Usually one or two more taps will do it. And then when it's biting, you crank it until it's snug. Make this one a little tighter than the top one, till it feels pretty tight to the wall. And then finish up the top hole. Put the cover on and put your cable through, and you're done.